So after a few minutes, React was able to generate this application for us, and hopefully you did the exact same thing as I did. Now it's time for us to go ahead and open this project in our text editor. So here in my VS Code, I'm gonna click on File, then Open. Then I'm just gonna go to the Redux application. Here, this in my desktop, I'm just gonna choose Redux application, and here we have the Redux list and the Redux list demo. The Redux list demo, it is the final result, and Redux list, it is the application that we are generated in the video that we have, the previous video. I'm just gonna click on open. That will open this project in our VS Code. Now, what I will do first of all, I'm gonna open my terminal. So terminal and a new terminal. Now, previously I have told you that React is a rendering content library. So we are using React to render any content on the screen, right? So previously we have used several libraries. We have used React Router, we have used Axios for fetching content, we have used React for rendering all the views. So you can see that React has only one goal in mind, which is to render content on the screen, right? Now we are gonna add Redux to it to manage our state, right? So if you open your package.json right here, since we have used create React app to generate our project, then it will automatically add this thing right here, the React package for us. It will go ahead and download it and install it automatically. We didn't ask for it. It will be automatically installed. That will not work for other libraries. So previously, in order for us to use React Router, we have to install the package, which was React Router DOM. In order for us to use Axios, we have to install it. Now the same thing with Redux. In order for us to use Redux, then we have to install it as a separate library. My whole idea, my point out of this, it is we have to install Redux, because it is not going to be installed automatically, because the create React app will not know if you are going to use Redux or not. So that's why it's not going to install it for you by default. You have to tell it specifically, I want you to install Redux for me. And to do so, we can just type npm install Redux like this. That will go ahead and install Redux for us. Now also previously, if you remember, I have told you that Redux is a separate library and React is in isolation. I mean, there is no relationship between them. In order for us to make a relationship, in order for us to connect React to Redux and make all the state management come from Redux and content rendering on the screen using React, we have to connect them, all right? And in order for us to connect both of these, we have to use another package. Don't worry about all these packages. We have installed Redux and we want to install another package. That has nothing to do with, let's say, making the application more complicated. Don't worry. All these kind of stuff are really easy to set up, all right? So we have to install a package called React Redux. So it is React-Redux. This is the name of the package. So once again, we have to install Redux because we want to use Redux, and we have to install React Redux because we want to connect both of these libraries together. I'm gonna hit enter. That will take a while, that will take a second, depending on your internet connection and so on. But at this point, that should do the job. In this video, we have showed you how we can, what is the package that we need, and we have installed both of these. That will make more sense in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to talk more about these packages and how we connect these kind of stuff. But first of all, we need to know how to set up Redux. That's what we are going to do in the next video. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. Hopefully that makes sense. See you in the next one.